In this video, we're going to talk about doing math with word problems. Really, this is why math is so useful. I read an essay in college talking about the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics. And it's one thing to learn about the tools and the techniques and the rules of math. It's another to be able to put it into practice. And so these are going to be 10 word problems using arithmetic. Arithmetic is those four main mathematical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So without further ado, let's get to solving. Question 1 says a library had 1,250 books. Sounds like what we start with. After a book sale, 368 books were sold. How many books are left? So we started with this number. Then we removed this number because they were sold. So this to me sounds like a subtraction problem. We got some big numbers here, so we're going to do 1,250 minus 368. Subtracting off, we got to borrow. Turn the 5 into a 4, turns the 0 into a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 6, can't do it, so you got to borrow. Turn the 4 into a 14. 14 minus 6, that's 8. Got to borrow again. Turn the 1 into an 11. 11 minus 3, that's also 8. So our answer becomes 882 books are left. Very important that we include our units. 882 books. Let's keep going. Question 2, a box holds 24 pencils. How many pencils are in 15 boxes? How many pencils are in 15 boxes is the question we want to answer. One box is 24 pencils. This to me sounds like a multiplication problem. It's going to be 24 times 15. That'll get us how many pencils are in 15 boxes. So if I do 24 times 15, gonna stack it up like this. Multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Drop a 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's add it on up now. 0, 6, 3. Answer 360. Oops, not books. We got pencils now. 360 pencils are in 15 boxes. Let's keep going. Teacher has 96 markers and wants to give the same number to 8 students. How many markers does each student get? Well, we got 96 markers and we want to divide them between 8 students. So this is going to be a division problem. I'm going to do some long division. I'm going to do 8 divided by 96. Okay. 8 into 9 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, bring down the 6. 8 goes into 16 twice. 2 times 8 is 16. We got a 0 remainder. And so our answer is going to be 12 markers. 12 markers is how many each student gets. And that goes with our 12 facts, right? We know that 8 times 12 is 96. So that checks out. A movie ticket costs $9. A group of 6 friends also buys popcorn for $4 each. What is the total cost, I assume, of going to this movie? Well, we got a lot of information here. Movie ticket costs $9. That's important. A group of 6 friends also buys popcorn for $4 each. $4 each. So that means that each person gets popcorn and each person gets a ticket. So one person gets a $9 ticket plus a $4 popcorn. So one person costs $13, but there are 6 people. So if one person is costing $13 and there are 6 people, this is now all of a sudden becoming a multiplication problem. So we're going to do 13 times 6, multiply. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Looks like it's going to be $78 for these 6 friends to go to the movies. Great. Next question. A bakery makes 48 muffins each morning. They sell 17 muffins in the afternoon. How many muffins are left? I think this is a simple subtraction problem, right? Because sounds like are starting with 48. Sell to me sounds like subtraction. So I think we just do 48 minus 17. We should get our answer. Pretty straightforward. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 31 muffins is our answer. Great. Next question. A notebook costs $3.75 and a pen costs $1.45. How much do they cost together? Okay, we got some decimal addition going on because we're gonna add these two prices together, right? Here's how we do this. We're gonna stack. We're gonna treat this like a big addition problem. We got 3.75 and 1.45. We're gonna make sure that we are lining up our decimals so that our place values stay in alignment with each other. That's the trick on how to do that. But we just proceed from right to left. 5 and 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 and 7 and 4. That is 12. Carry the 1. 1, 3, 1. That's 5. We're going to drop the decimal. We want our answer to make sense, right? It wouldn't make sense for our answer to be 520. It would be $5.20. That's what makes sense. So, answer reporting 5.20 is how we get that done. Cool. Getting down to the wire here. A soccer game lasts 90 minutes. If 38 minutes have already been played, how many minutes remain? How many minutes remain? So if it's from 90 ticking down and 38 minutes have already been played, this is just subtraction. We're going to do 90 minus 38. Borrow, turn to a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. Answer is 52 minutes. Neat. Let's keep it going. Each ribbon is 18 inches long. How many inches of ribbon are there in 7 ribbons? Okay. I think off the bat this sounds like multiplication because 1 ribbon is 18, but it says how many inches are in 7 ribbons. So I think we just got to do 7 times 18. Easy peasy. 18 over 7, multiply. 7 times 8 is 56. Carry the 5. 7 times 1 plus 5 is 12. So all we got is 126 inches. Makes me think of Buddy Yell. 6 inches, Ribbon Girl. Okay, that's besides the point. Last question. Down to the wire here. There are 53 students going on a field trip. Each bus can hold 10 students. How many full buses are needed and how many students are left over? Okay. All right. Well, a couple ways we can think about this. I'm just going to go with my intuition. This is, I think, a division problem because we got 53 and we have buses that can hold 10 students. So it says how many full buses are needed. If I do 10 divided by 53, this goes in 5 times, right? With 3 left over. Now, 5 buses covers 50 students with 3 left over. Now, what's the question says? How many full buses are needed? How many full buses are needed? So I think it's 5 buses with 3 left over. Yeah, okay, this is it. That's the solution to the problem. 5 buses will be full, and there will be 3 leftover students. So I'm just going to circle this part right here. 5 buses. Yeah, 5 full buses with 3 left over. Easy peasy. There's 10 good, solid arithmetic word problems.